The other day I was enjoying my summer break when I received a challenge from my friend Xanderwood. Let's try and remake one game from each other's itch.io pages. Sounds fun, let's do it. Okay, so scrolling on his profile, I realized one thing, that is, Xanderwood has made a shitload of games. This should not make it too difficult though to find one to remix a little bit. After looking for a while, I chose Crossy. First, I like cats. And secondly, I love me a simple game that I can get done fairly quickly to capitalize on that made in X hours YouTube devlog trope. Crossy is a Frogger-like game where you play as a cat that has to get across the road and retrieve some collectibles, then go back and deliver them. Do this 4 times before the time runs out and you win. I am not really sure what's up with Xanderwood and atrociously murdering cute animals, but the game is actually pretty fun, so I guess it's okay this time. I am gonna put a twist in the game, and instead of controlling the character with the keyboard, you're gonna click with the mouse to move across the scene. After that, I coded a simple camera controller and collectible system to have some progress in the game. Then I added very basic enemies and a finite state machine to control the flow of the game, and the prototype is done. Most of the game mechanics ended up relying on the on-trigger enter to D mono behavior callback. For example, when the player gets too close to a collectible, bomb, on-trigger enter to D, or when the player gets too close to an enemy, on-trigger enter to D, or for example when I wanna deactivate enemies when they get off-screen to put them back into a pool of objects in order to optimize the performance a little bit, on-trigger enter to D. Yeah, that's it. You can argue that it looks like trash now, so let's drop this colorful box look and jump in Aseprite to do some pixel art now. You might be wondering how we got to rockets and asteroids starting from a cat game, and the answer is that I really didn't have it in me to have a cat be run over and over by cars with hers living there while I was working, so yeah, this is the reason. Once the art was done, it was time to make the sound effects and the soundtrack for the game. The first ones are easily produced in VFXR, and the process looks and sounds something like this. The music took a little bit of experimentation, but in the end, we got there. After writing down the tablature, I exported it into a MIDI format, then fed it to GXSCC, and got a nice little 8-bit chiptune that goes really well with the pixel art look. Okay, let's try the game out. And yeah, I'll play on medium difficulty because I do not hate myself enough to play on difficult. Okay, so as you can see, you can tap around to make your rocket go there, and I have to say that changing the controls amplified the rage factor of this game. This is not the first time I attempt to record this clip right now, and I am getting pretty tilted. Okay, let's try again. And you can see it's very easy to forget a click and get smashed by an asteroid and sent back to the start. This is so frustrating. This is okay. Oh fuck. Okay, let's do this. I can do this. I know I can do this. I've already done this. This is not. No, I'm not having fun anymore. Please stop. This is a rage game. Yeah, I stand by my word. This is a fucking rage game. Okay, I need to get some air. And while I go, please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and go play the game to rub it in my face if you manage to beat it. Also, please check out Xanderwood that has made a game of mine. And this said, as always, I've been Peter, you've been great, and if you decide to stick around, see you next time.